Today we are looking at the Mech wallet from PunCube. We're ditching our normal boring wallet for a fun fidget alternative. We have chosen the Wasteland aluminum in the color of mine. The wallet is nice and thin, and this one has the pinball fidget action. A very nice, modern, and sleek design. Included is a money clip with 3M tape designed to peel and stick to the back of your wallet in the position that you desire. This way you can carry just your cards and your cash wherever you want to go. A very handy option for when you need to travel light and only carry essentials. The wallet is designed to hold somewhere between 4 and 6 cards. This could vary depending on the thickness of the cards. My thinner ones, I was able to get 6 cards in the wallet. One of the most important features of this wallet is the fact that it is 100% RFID blocking. That means that people cannot come up and just steal your credit card information right out of your pocket with their digital devices. It's basically like a Faraday cage. It is proven to protect, blocking nearly every signal that any thief would use. There are also optional accessories you can get to go with your Mech wallet, including this MagSafe module. All you have to do is peel and stick the magnet to the back of your wallet. Then you can use the magnet to attach to your cell phone. It's quite simple, and it allows you to carry your cards with you and with your phone, but not have to take a bunch of extras like bags or purses, allowing you to keep traveling light and only taking the necessities. The Mech wallet is approximately 1/3 the size of traditional wallets, making it slim enough to fit in even the smallest of shirt pockets. But you can also slip it right into your jeans pockets. Whether you wear baggy jeans or skinny jeans, the Mech wallet is sure to fit. But it's also small enough that it can go in the tiniest of purses too. Whether you are traveling or just out running your daily errands, the Mech wallet slim design is so convenient to take along. And the RFID blocking should give you a sense of comfort and feel safe that you can take your cards anywhere you go and not have to worry about whether or not someone is going to steal your information and charge up a whole bunch of bills. You can also even put your driver's license in your Mech wallet. Then the only thing you have to take with you on your daily trips is your wallet. And it's small enough it can fit in the smallest little cubbies of your vehicle. Choose from aluminum or titanium, multiple colors, and 3 different designs with engineered precision mechanical actions. I've used mine over several weeks, traveling a couple of thousand miles, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to drop some links in the description below. If you're looking for a great RFID wallet, then you should check out the PunCube Mech wallet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.